If you like strawberries, you're gonna love this. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a wonderful strawberry cobbler, and it really is easy. In fact, even kids can make it with a little adult help. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Here I cover recipes that anyone can do, plus cooking skills and tips on making your dinner table the family center of your home, because that's where families build. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my summer strawberry cobbler, the ingredients I'll be using are 3 cups of diced strawberries, which is about a pound, or if strawberries are out of season, you may use frozen berries that have been thawed and drained, a half to 3/4 cup of Splenda, depending on the sweetness of the berries, or you can use sugar, non-stick spray in butter or original flavor, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter or margarine melted, 1 cup of milk warmed, I'm using non-fat, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and our optional ingredient is 1 to 2 teaspoons of turbinado sugar, otherwise known as sugar in the raw. Rinse your strawberries in a colander under cold water. For a fun and easy way to hull strawberries, I like to use a rigid straw. I center the straw under the stem and push up from the bottom of the berry. The stem will pop right out and leave your berry whole. When the straw gets full, it's a treat to suck the berries out and a good way to gauge the sweetness of your fruit. Dice your berries small, approximately the size of a raisin. When you're done, return them to the bowl and stir in your sweetener and set to the side. In a medium bowl, add your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, whisk together, and set aside. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt your butter. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Add your milk and continue to stir until warm but not hot to the touch. Remove from heat and stir in your vanilla. While your oven is warming up, spray the bottom and sides of your baking dish and set aside. Add your warm milk mixture to your flour mixture and stir just until combined. Your batter will be lumpy. Pour the batter into your baking dish and then spoon your strawberries over the top. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. I ended up baking my cobbler 43 minutes because it was in a deep dish. Now let's take a look. It's absolutely perfect. Now let's let it cool for 8 to 10 minutes and then you can sprinkle the top with the optional turbinado sugar. You know, I never had strawberry cobbler until I made this recipe, and it really is a perfect summertime treat, or for any time you just crave the taste of summer. Now, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments your favorite strawberry dessert. You know, the one that brings your family to the table where family is built. And if you feed them, they will come.